Welcome back to my channel. Filing your C corporation is only 10% of the process. The remaining 90% is the legal foundation you built immediately after, and most non-US founders don't even know these documents exist. Let me show you exactly what you need from day one. The first document is the Articles of Incorporation. This is the filing submitted to the state to officially create your corporation as the legal entity. It includes your corporation's name, your registered agent, and the number of authorized shares. Without this document, a corporation simply doesn't exist. This is the foundation of every C corporation. Next, you need the bylaws. Bylaws outline the internal rules and procedures for your corporation. They explain how shareholder meetings are held, how directors are elected, what officer roles exist, and how decisions are made. Many US states have specific laws governing shareholder rights and corporate governance, and the bylaws help bring your corporation into compliance with those requirements. Having clear, well drafted bylaws is essential for smooth operations and clean corporate structure. If your corporation issues shares of stock, you should have stock certificates. These certificates represent ownership in the company and serve as evidence of each shareholder's rights. Whether you use physical certificates or a digital stock ledger, the important part is that the issuance of shares is documented correctly. Corporations must keep minutes of board meetings and maintain written resolutions. These documents record major decisions, for example, appointing officers, issuing stock, approving contracts, or opening a bank account. Meeting minutes and resolutions serve as proof of how the corporation made decisions and help demonstrate proper corporate governance. Keeping these records is especially important if you plan to raise investment or work with financial institutions. If you have co founders, you should also have a shareholders agreement. This agreement sets the rules between the founders, how shares can be transferred, what happens if someone leaves, how voting works, and how disputes are resolved. If you're a solo founder, you usually don't need this, but for multi founder teams, it's one of the most important documents. You also need the EIN confirmation letter from the IRS. The EIN is the corporation's tax identification number. You need to open a US bank account, work with Stripe or PayPal, file taxes, and hire employees or contractors. This is one of the key documents for operating your business in the United States. If you created the product, the brand, the software, or any other intellectual property before forming the corporation, you should transfer that IP to the company. The IP assignment agreement ensures that the corporation and not you personally owns your business assets. Investors always check this document, and it's a critical part of protecting your business. If your corporation will operate online or collect user data, you should prepare basic website policies. This usually includes a privacy policy, terms of service, and if needed, a cookie notice. These documents help you comply with privacy laws and define your relationship with users. So, to summarize, the essential documents for C corporations are the articles of incorporation, the bylaws, stock certificate, meeting minutes and resolutions, the shareholders agreement if you have co-founders, the EIN confirmation letter, in some cases, the IP assignment agreement, and website legal policies if your business operates online. These documents create the legal structure of your corporation and help ensure that your company is compliant, protected, and ready for growth. Thank you for watching. If you need help registering your C corporation or preparing any of these documents, feel free to reach out using the link in the description below. I'll be happy to guide you through the process. and I'll see you in the next video.